This is the U-stand. U-stand base is already quite a wide footprint, has already quite a wide footprint, but that can be adjusted through these adjustables here, these Allen bolts here. We can quickly adjust this base, giving us a greater footprint size for those more wider base chairs and wider surfaces that become quite problematic. I'll quickly tighten that back up again with our pin, which is located in here. And we've actually even got a gauge to tell us we're in the right position. So it's a depth gauge. So green means good, red if it wasn't in the right position. Safety is paramount when we're trying to fix these devices in the right position. Lock the collar, so it's nice and safe. And then attach a lever on my device. Same as before, with a standard locking mechanism, that safety brake system is in place, and a limited height position, again for safety reasons. Remembering that we can still adjust all these levers, and we have a wonderful UDA system which allows ease of movement, left, right, up, down, wherever we need to be.